In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can adjust the looks of camera cutout for any app. Begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, scroll down a tiny bit to tap on Display over here. Now it's time to scroll down again, and this time click on Camera Cutout. Finally, you can click on any app. I will go with Chrome and select the best option for you. Show Camera Cutout, Hide Camera Cutout, or Auto. I will tap on Show option, so when I go back and access Chrome, I can see that my cutout is visible. If you wish to disable it, go back to the same settings and pick Hide option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment,